Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. And what I have is a NuTone Proline 1. It is a 48-inch 4-blade industrial ceiling fan. And much like the one that I have perpetually propped up in the background, but this one has a slightly different lower canopy. It has the, I don't know, I just call it the Homer dome. It looks like the top of Homer Simpson's head, and or Bender the robot, ironically enough drawn by the same animator. But anyway, yeah, the other one has more of a cone shape to it. Yeah, these are one of my all-time favorite fans. I remember seeing these installed in the North Shore Shopping Center. They had these and slim lines as well. If anyone has any old pictures of that mall, I would North Shore Shopping Center in Peabody, Mass. I would, that include the fans. I would really be overjoyed to see them. So far, I mean, I've tried scouring the internet, and so far it's been to no avail. So anyway, yeah, let's take it for a test spin. Start off on high. And spin down. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you'd be so kind as to click like, I would really appreciate that as well, and to subscribe to my page called the Fan Cave. Please do stay tuned for more. Excuse me. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Long spin down, must have good bearings. I dig 'em.